Welcome to the 𝗙𝗏𝗿 𝗙𝗀𝗏 channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney that assists families with Medicaid planning and probate. Today I wanted to talk to you about qualified income trusts, also known as Miller trusts. Many times I have potential clients or family members call my office telling me that they've been told that they need a Miller trust, but they don't know what it is or exactly why they need it. So I wanted to take this time to explain what a Miller trust is, why you might need it, and what it does. So essentially, this type of trust is a trust used by people to address excess income. So if you are a person or your family member is a person who will need long-term care services of a nursing home facility, and to be able to afford that care, you want to qualify for Medicaid. However, you have too much income according to the requirements to actually qualify for Medicaid. So it's not about your assets, it's not about things that you own, it's your income streams. So if you have too much coming in Social Security and a pension or any other sort of like annuity payments or something that you, like a workers' compensation settlement or something that is coming in as an income stream to you, and you now have too much income coming in. However, most of the times why we do this is you don't have enough income coming in to truly pay for the care that you need, but it's too much income where it is something that you are unable to qualify for Medicaid. So you're kind of in some sort of limbo state where you have too much income coming in, but practicality speaking, this excess income is not something that makes it easy for you to afford the care that you need. So we need to put your income into this trust. The special trust is called a qualified income trust, such that you are now able to qualify for Medicaid. Just some basics so we all are clear. This is a trust that addresses income. It's also an irrevocable trust. So once we set this trust up, you can't change this trust really without great efforts and it's an irrevocable trust. So it's best to just consider this. Once you set it up, you don't change your mind. It's in place, and this is what we use. So those are important things to understand. It's a trust that addresses your income, and it's irrevocable. So what we do is once we set up this trust, your income now will be deposited. It'll come in from Social Security or from your retirement pension and be deposited into a bank account that is owned or titled in the name of your trust. So the money comes into the trust, and then from the trust bank account, the trustee will issue you, the person that needs care, a check for your personal needs allowance. You're allowed to get your personal needs allowance that under Medicaid, you can get an allowance monthly. And then the trustee, with the remaining monies, after they paid you a personal needs allowance, will pay for your health insurance and then disperse the remaining balance to the skilled nursing facility that's giving you care. And with this trust, now once your income goes through this trust, it is now something where it is not an income to you, it's an income to the trust, and therefore you are able to qualify for Medicaid, which would help you get the quality of care that you need, when otherwise your income would be prohibitive of you qualifying for Medicaid for that need. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. I hope that it sheds some light as to what a qualified income trust is, also known as a Miller trust, that it doesn't address any of your assets. You won't be retitling your home or your car or anything like that, but it is something that addresses your income stream, and it's used for people who have slightly too much income and therefore they do not qualify for Medicaid, but would benefit from being a Medicaid recipient due to their long-term care needs. I ask that if this information was helpful to you, that you like and you share my videos with others that would benefit. Thank you for joining me.